Hi, this is Shane with Yavapai Dent Company. And what I want to do is take you through the anatomy of a dent repair, so to speak. Here we have a deep dent on an aluminum hood, and this dent goes across what we call a body line. These body lines are very strong. This is an aluminum panel, which makes the repair even more difficult. This is also a brand new car sitting on the lot, so this thing has to be absolutely perfect when it is done. What I want to focus on here is a part that many customers don't see or understand or really realize is going on with their damage, and that is what we call a crown, or this little smiley or high ridge on this panel. These crowns make the repair a good bit more difficult. What happens here is there's an impact, the metal changes in one spot, and then that metal has to go somewhere. Well, what happens is, kind of like a wave in water, when you drop something in water, the metal is pushed out and it creates a high ridge, as can be seen here. Knocking down this ridge has to be done at the precise right time and in the right order for an efficient repair. Now here's the product in the beginning stages. It looks like this because dents don't pop out like most people think. We must use pretty sharp tools to gradually lift the dent up just a little bit at a time. You hear hammering in the background, and what that is one of the techs knocking down these high spots that we have to make. We have to kind of make the dent look worse before we can make it look better. Now this clip is sped up considerably, and this is a way shallower dent. You can still, there are a couple of high spots that are made here. It's inevitable, we run into it, and this is what makes dent repair almost an art. Here's the finished product. Flawless, inside, outside. No matter where you look at this thing, you are not going to find a hint of a dent left there. Now, you can imagine the care and patience that it takes to repair a dent the size of this one, the thousands of times that have to be pushed. But with the right technician working on your car, repairs like this are possible. So bring your car down to Yavapai Dent Company. Let us take a look at it, give you an estimate, and get your car looking brand new again and back out on the road.